Help! Help! Blah blah blabina.
Hi, my name is Blabina.
We are going to paint the tractor. Yes. So, first, I'm going to do the seat red. Right? Ready? Steady, red. No! I made it worse.
Let's start again. This time, I'm going to use a paintbrush. First, to color in the driver's seat red. Next, let's do the body of the tractor. What color do I get if I mix yellow and blue? Look, it's turning green. Now we can paint the tractor green. Now it's time to paint the wheels. What color do I get if I mix yellow and red? It's orange. It's time to paint the tire. What happens if I mix orange and blue? Look, it's turning brown.
so cool. And you know what I love the most? That we made the colors. We made the green, we made brown and orange just by mixing colors together. Isn't that amazing? And the best part is that you can do it at home. You are smart, you are amazing, and you can do anything. If you want to see more of my videos, more of Blabina, then search my name on YouTube and subscribe to my channel. See you soon! Blah blah Blabina, blah blah Blabina, blah 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 Blabina.
Blah 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 blah.